Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Danny with that campsite. So today I want to go ahead and do something special here, and I want to show y'all how to create a piece of content. Now it's going to be a quick piece of content, and I'm not going to go through the whole software that I'm using. I just want to go ahead and show you exactly how I create this content step by step. Now the software that I am using is called Wondershare Filmore 12. So if you follow this video, you'll create a piece of content that you'll pretty much be able to publish on YouTube. So first you're going to go ahead and double click on the Wondershare icon, which is this, and it's going to take you straight to a screen that pretty much looks just like here. Preview screen where you import all your folders or your files, and then your editing parts here down here where you're going to bring those audios down here. So you got your media, stock media, audio tiles, transitioning, effects, stickers, and templates. So we're just going to go ahead and start off with creating a piece of content. So first thing I'm going to go is click on media, make sure I'm on media, and then import a file. Let's go ahead and import one of my trailers. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to edit my trailer, right? So this red line is going to pretty much just the reader, and wherever you want to cut a file, you just place that red line, and you're just going to open it up, and let's go ahead and cut it right there, and you're just going to click on the scissors, and pretty much that's it. It cuts the file. See that? And we're gonna go ahead and cut another file right there. Let's go to the next scene. Alright, let's go ahead and cut that file right there. So now you have this one cut in, and make sure the border's highlighted, and all you can do is click and delete it. So pretty much that's how you edit a piece of content. Now this right here is your audio for the video that you have, the clip. So you could just lower it all the way down, and it takes away the music or the sound from the actual clip. And you go into the audio, and let's put the blue audio. Or you got a selection of any type of audio here. So click whichever, and you could add music. There you go. You could change the audio setting, whether you want it low or high. It's up to you. Alright, and then pretty much go to tiles. Now tiles obviously is going to give you the options to add titles. So you just pretty much drag it onto the top part of the video, and then it'll appear on your screen, and you let it appear. Make sure you highlight that clip, and if you double tap on the screen itself, you'll be able to change the word on the screen. Let's put A to C, A to C, and then you click on the next text, and you could change that as well. A to C at YouTube. There you go. And you could also resize your square. There you go. And you can move them around, whether you want to place it right here in the bottom or the top. It doesn't matter. Whether you want to put YouTube in the center and put A to C down here, it doesn't matter, because once you go ahead and grab the red line and you play, it'll populate the text. Lower that sound down a little bit, and there you go. So once you're done, go ahead and just start from the beginning. and you just go ahead and do that. Now say transitioning, obviously say you want to go ahead and let's go ahead and cut it right there on this square, and let's put a transition right there. Let's try that transition right there. It's gonna create a transition. That's pretty much how you do it. Now obviously you go to your effects. Let's go ahead and put an effect. Let's go ahead and put this glitch, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna go ahead and glitch the whole entire video. It's gonna put that special effect on there. There you go. You see, you got all kinds of effects on this. And then you go to your stickers. Go ahead and your stickers, you'll have all these stickers that you could add. Let's go ahead and go with the basics. You just place it on there, and then you go ahead and play, and what will happen, your sticker will pop up. Let's go ahead and place it a little bit away from the other sticker that's already on there. Your sticker will pop up. Once it pops up, you could click on it and it'll give you a box. You can resize the sticker, whether you want to put it in the bottom or the side or wherever. I'm going to resize it for that, and I'm going to go ahead and click, and it's going to play it. There you go. Some of this audio is kind of long, so you want to make sure you could resize it. There you go, to match your video clip. Now the templates, there's plenty of templates, and now what they mean by templates is there's already videos created, and I'll show you right now. Let's go ahead and pick this one right here. Alright, so you can see, as you can see, it has all these items already. It's a packaged template already created, and when you play it, so let me go ahead and stop right here. So if you click on the screen, you could change that text on energy. It has all these audio pieces and everything, whether you want to create an intro or whether you want to create an end credits or whatever. It's already created a prefabricated clip that you could actually change. I don't use that because I create my own content, but you know, it's an option. But anyway, that's pretty much what that is. So you got all these, you know, tools up here. Once you're done, once you feel comfortable about everything, you go ahead and play it, and it gives you that music that you added. It gives you the text that you added, and it gives you your transition, gives you that subscribe, and you can see that effect. And once you feel good about the content that you've provided or that you created, you go ahead, obviously you want to review it, and you feel good about it, so all you can go ahead and do is you can go to export right here. You're going to create video, and what it's going to do is going to give you options. All I do, I mean, I know it's on iPad, I mean, I still, you know, I don't care about this part right there, this area. I haven't had any issues. It still saves it to where I want it to save. It says save to, and I select a place I want it to save. Say I want to go ahead desktop, put it on my E2C YouTube file, select, and that's it. You know, gives you quality lower, recommended higher. I always use that. Resolution, you could choose from your resolutions. However, I always leave it at 1280 times 720 frame rates per second, and all I do is I export, and it automatically starts saving onto that folder that I selected. It's completed. I open that folder up, and pretty much it's created. That's the one, and it plays it. go. And there you have it, completed content. So again, if you go ahead and take a step-by-step on what I showed you just now, you'll be able to create a simple piece of content using the Wondershare Filmore software. I just want to go ahead and share that I have no affiliation to the Wondershare. I just use the software for my content. I just wanted to share this piece of content with you in case you want to begin creating your own content using this software. This Wondershare software has 3 plans: the annual plan, the cross-platform plan, and the perpetual plan. For me, I utilize the annual plan. So right now you could pretty much get it at $50 the software. However, after the year ends, you'll pretty much be paying $70 a year. Now, just to let you know that in addition to the annual plan, if you want special add-ons that are in the software, you got to pretty much pay an additional monthly payment. So just be aware, it's like $7 a month or so. So just be aware of that. But just make sure you're committed, because you don't want to be wasting money. And you know, obviously you have aspirations, but then it wears out after a month or so, and then now you're just leaving it on the shelf and you don't want to create content anymore. Just know that you don't want to be wasting money. So make sure you're committed to creating content. But that's all I got pertaining to that tip. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and I catch you on the flip side.